breathtaking view of a 9-hole golf course and forest trail inside the project?
Yes, this is Prateek Canary in Sector 150 Noida, featuring 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs, duplexes and penthouses. Prices start at 2.2 crores and go up to 5 crores.
Let's unlock everything about this project.
The project is spread across 12.5 acres with 9 towers. It is one of the lowest density developments in the sector, with just 664 apartments. Each tower has 29 floors. Towers A, B and C house the smallest 3 BHK units with 4 apartments per floor. The remaining towers have only 2 units per floor. Each tower has 3 resident lifts. Amenities की बात करें तो यहाँ मिलता है एक डबल डेकर क्लब हाउस spanning 35,000 square feet and packed with world-class facilities including an indoor squash court, cricket pitch, tennis court, event lawn, theatre, spa and sauna.
लेकिन जानते हैं best part क्या है? An entire forest trail within this project.
We inspected their 3 BHK plus servant flat. Let's check it out. Apartment start होता है foyer से and opens into a living and dining area. It comes with an attached balcony with views to the central green of the project. There's a room just before the dining space which can be used either as a servant room, storage or could be designed into a study room. It comes with an attached washroom as well. This room has access to the utility balcony which further connects to the kitchen. The kitchen has a parallel countertop design and is good enough to accommodate a fridge or a sleek pantry. You can't really call it a new age, but storage and space utilization के हिसाब से ठीक है. The master bedroom is the star of the apartment, boasting a massive wall-sized glass window that provides uninterrupted views of the golf course. It features a walk-in wardrobe and an attached washroom. The other 2 bedrooms are connected by a huge running balcony that offers stunning views of the Noida skyline and the golf course. Internal facing units, on the other hand, overlook the park and clubhouse. Prices की बात करें तो the base 3 BHK unit of 1700 square feet varies between 13,000 and 14,000 per square feet and is priced at 2.26 crore. 3 BHK plus servant unit of 2040 square feet goes up to 2.9 crore and इस category में larger layouts like the 2555 square feet are available at 3.6 crore. And guess what? The most spacious 4 BHK spanning 3355 square feet is priced around 5 crore.
Launched in 2020 at 5,000 per square feet, the prices have nearly tripled in the last 5 years, now standing at 14,000 per square feet.
However, the project was RERA registered in 2019 with a delivery timeline of 2024, but the builder has extended it to October 2027. तो उस हिसाब से construction delayed है. There are a few challenges too. The location of Prateek Canary is slightly secluded. Also, due to ongoing construction in the vicinity, dust levels remain high. The nearest metro station, Sector 148 on the Aqua Line, is 7 km away, which might be a concern for those who rely on public transport.
This brings us to the question, अगर प्रतीक कैनेरी नहीं तो इस बजट में और क्या?
आप ATS Pious Orchards and Godrej Palm Retreat भी देख सकते हैं. ATS Pious Orchards, which will be delivered by December 2026, offers 3 and 5 BHK ranging between 3 and 5 crore. वहीं Godrej Palm Retreat offers 3 BHK 2 crore onwards and 4 BHK 3 crore onwards. This project will be delivered by June 2025, much sooner than Prateek Canary.
So what do you think about Prateek Canary? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below.